Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Max streaming, connect provider, and sign in step-by-step clearly. Open the Max app on your smart TV, streaming device, phone, or tablet. If you do not have the app yet, download Max from your device's app store and install it. Launch the Max app and wait for the home screen to load fully. Select Sign In to begin the login process. Choose the option that says Sign In with Provider or Connect Provider. An activation screen will appear with a web address and a unique code. Keep this screen open on your TV or device so the code stays visible. On a separate phone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser like Chrome or Safari. Type the activation web address exactly as shown on your screen. Press Enter and confirm you are on the official Max activation page. When prompted, enter the activation code exactly, including any letters and numbers. Select Continue or Next to proceed. You will now see a list of TV providers or partners. Scroll and select your cable, satellite, or streaming TV provider from the list. If you do not see your provider, use the search box to type its name. You will be redirected to your provider's sign-in page. Enter the username and password you use for your TV provider account. If your provider requires it, complete any two-factor verification steps. After signing in, approve access if you see a permissions or confirmation screen. Wait for the message that says your device is successfully linked or activated. Go back to the Max app on your TV or device, and it should refresh automatically. If it does not refresh, select Try Again, Refresh, or restart the Max app. Once signed in, choose a profile or create one if asked. Test playback by selecting a title and pressing play. If you get an error, double-check that your provider subscription includes Max. Make sure your device date and time are correct and your internet connection is stable. If the code expired, choose Get New Code and repeat the activation steps. If you still cannot sign in, sign out and back in, or reinstall the Max app and try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.